Action. Justin Bieber, how'd you even get in jail?
Because of you.
What did I do? I'm just the narrator.
Yeah, narrators, who cares?
Here's your lunch.
And
And here's a gift from
From
your,
who?
From your girlfriend.
I don't have a girlfriend. It's from the jail to make me feel better. And this is not even a lunch. It's a Wii game. Legends of Zelda Sword Skyward.
It's surprising. Justin Bieber can actually read.
Your
Yeah.
sister.
Actually,
This is from your sister.
My sister? Thought she died. Wait, I don't have a sister. Somebody kill this guard. One day you better, whenever you're not on duty and you're not paying attention, I'm gonna escape.
What's wrong with
Today? Ah!
What's wrong with these people? This jail is so puny. It's so easy to get out. What kind of idiots built this? Whoa, Justin Bieber's athletic? He's on the run.
No.
So drunk he can't even aim right.
I missed. What is this?
What's wrong with you, Justin Bieber?
Gotta reload.
Whoa. Don't kill the narrator. Don't kill the narrator.
It stinks. Is that you? Stay down.
Ah! Justin Bieber's attacking. He's gone psycho.
You better
watch out. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna let you two die slowly. Don't worry, I put this bullet in.
He's so dumb.